Hello guys, I got this International 2012 with a DT MAXXFORCE. Complained this truck won't start after being parked for like a 3 or 4 months over there. We parked it on perfect conditions, and then, like I say, it won't start. We spent everything. This truck have no active fault codes, so apparently there's something wrong with these things, which don't let the truck build enough fuel pressure. They go on the inside the valve cover. We also change the starter cable. So before you start changing this, check your battery cables first. Make sure everything is good before you're going into this. If you don't find anything on your battery cables, check your batteries. If you check everything and you don't find nothing, this may be the reason why your truck won't start.